Hi, it's Baron here, and I'm going to let you in on one of the biggest tips to recording great quality video, and that's actually making sure that you have crisp, clear audio to go along with your video. As paradoxical as that may seem, making sure your voice is recorded clearly will enhance the perception of your overall video quality. With that in mind, it's tricky to find a microphone system that does a good job while being friendly to your budget. Until now, and this is the AU102 from Mauno. It's a super affordable wired lavalier microphone that works with smartphones as well as cameras and audio recorders. The audio of this entire video, my voice, was recorded using the AU102, and you can hear just how clear it's coming through. We are outdoors, and as you know, this is not ideal for interview recordings. There's nature sounds, there's traffic, but I intentionally chose a place like this to show you how the budget-friendly AU102 can still give you clear audio in a noisy environment like this. But first, here's a little unboxing to see what you'll be getting in the box. In the box, you have the AU102 lavalier microphone itself, a lapel clip that attaches to the mic, and a foam windscreen. This is the control capsule. When an audio is way too loud, the attenuation switch reduces audio capture levels by -10 dB. The mode switch here lets you use the AU102 with a smartphone or a camera. Be sure to toggle it to match with the device you're recording with. The AU102 is powered by a pair of LR44 batteries. An extra pair of LR44 are thoughtfully included in the pack. The mic is connected to a 3.5mm headphone jack. A 6.35mm adapter is included for connection to audio recorders. The AU102 comes with a 6-meter long cable. Here's the user guide and a pouch which will pack everything to head back out and test the AU102. We're back outdoors, and here's a comparison of my voice that's been recorded by the AU102 versus the camera's built-in mic. With the built-in mic, my voice doesn't come out very clear as it's being drowned out by the background noise. While the built-in mic does a good job in quieter environments, it faces a huge challenge when recording outdoors. Another weakness of a built-in mic is that my voice gets softer if I'm not directly facing the camera or if I am further away from the camera. Now, with the AU102, background noise is reduced to a minimum, and my voice comes out so much clearer. And it doesn't matter which direction I face, to camera or away from camera, or if I am further away from the camera. I will always sound loud and clear because the mic is not on the camera. The AU102 is with me all the time. So who is the AU102 for? The AU102 is a budget-friendly lavalier microphone that's lightweight with a small form factor. It's incredibly easy to use. If you do lots of online teaching, YouTube videos, vlogs, product reviews and unboxing videos in the studio or even outdoors, and you're on a limited budget but you want
great quality audio recording, well, the Mauno AU102 lavalier microphone is for you. Let us know what you think of the AU102 in the comments. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share this video. It's Baron here. Gear up, go out there and shoot it great.